Okay, we're at the little memorial park. It's right across the street from Gemini Springs. Just drive on in. It's got a flag there. It's got 1, 2, 3. We're at number 3. Pavilions. It has charcoal grill or whatever. Water. No electric, but that's okay. You don't really need that. Obviously, it closes at sundown. And isn't that pretty? Fighter jet and military flags. And so now, hey Jackson man, it's in his little nappy time. We're gonna give Rosie, give me some water. Okay, and then we've got some goodies we're gonna take out. We're gonna go ahead and attempt to make a grilled sandwich, hot chocolate, and some noodles and crackers. Alrighty. Let's see. We're gonna start the fire there with some toilet paper and hand sanitizer. We don't need it huge. Let's see if it'll stay going.